So, the Arc browser just had a kid. His name? Dia. And it was built different, like actually built by AI for AI. That doesn't just let you browse, it does the browsing for you. Summarize open tabs? Done. Compare prices? Easy. Write an email based on what you're reading? Already sent. This thing routes your request to the best AI model automatically. Think of it like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, all quietly arguing in the background just to serve you. It uses context from your tabs, logins, cookies. Yeah, it's watching, but only to help. Allegedly. Dia's in closed beta right now, Mac only. If you're on Windows, well, patience is a virtue. The browser company is freezing Arc development to go all in on Dia. It's not a side project. It is the future. Dia isn't just a browser. It's your AI-powered, privacy-conscious, know-it-all sidekick with a search addiction. No more bouncing between apps, no more mental gymnastics. Just type what you want. That handles the rest, with help from the best AI models on the internet. This is browsing 2.0. You're not just online, sir. Your browser's one step ahead. Whether that's genius or a glitch waiting to happen, guess we'll find out. So yeah, Dia might just be the smartest browser you've never installed, yet. Just don't be surprised when it starts finishing your thoughts too. The future's typing and it's hitting send.